how to restore deleted files on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to restore deleted files on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is, if I just deleted a folder, which is right here, I'll just simply right click on this folder and I'll delete this folder. After deleting the folder, now if you want to restore that deleted folder, then what you need to do is just simply go with the recycle bin. If you don't find the recycle bin right here, then you can just simply go with this PC, and after going with this PC, here you will have recycle bin. You need to click on it, and then you need to find the folder that you've just deleted. So in my case, this is the folder that I've just deleted. So I'll just simply right click on that, and then I'll go with restore, and that's it. It has been restored right here. That's how you can restore your deleted files on Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.